Tired of manual toothbrushes that leave plaque behind and fail to keep your gums healthy?
First up, we have a versatile option designed to eliminate harsh brushing that damages sensitive gums. The causeless C30 electric toothbrush solves this by offering 3 intensity levels and 5 cleaning modes to customize your routine. It comes with both soft and medium firm brush heads, allowing you to easily find the perfect fit for your enamel. This compact model is ideal for frequent travelers or families who need reliable oral care on the go. Imagine packing this sleek device into your toiletry bag for a business trip, knowing you can enjoy a gentle, dentist-clean feeling right in your hotel room.
Next, at number 2, is a powerful duo perfect for couples who want professional-grade plaque removal at home. The causeless C40 Sonic Electric Toothbrush delivers an impressive 47,000 vibrations per minute to blast away tough stains and whiten your teeth. This 2-pack features black and pink handles, wireless charging bases, and 6 replacement heads to keep you stocked for months. It is the ultimate choice for couples or roommates who want to share a charging setup while targeting sensitive teeth or braces. Picture waking up, grabbing your color-coded brush, and using the whitening mode to polish your teeth before a major work presentation. Now for number 3, we have a solution for anyone tired of their toothbrush dying mid-clean. The 7 Magic Sonic Electric Toothbrush boasts an incredible 180-day battery life and a dentist-recommended design for superior daily hygiene. With 42,000 vibrations per minute and 5 cleaning modes, it easily lifts stubborn plaque from hard-to-reach areas. This kit includes 8 brush heads, making it perfect for budget-conscious adults and kids who want long-lasting performance. You can literally charge this device once, pack it for a multi-month trip without any cables, and still enjoy a powerful, dentist-approved clean every single day. Coming in at number 4 is the same incredible power package, but in a sleek, stylish navy blue finish. This 7 Magic Sonic Electric Toothbrush solves the problem of cluttered counters and dead batteries with its included wall hanger and massive 180-day runtime. It features 42,000 vibrations per minute, 5 custom modes, and 8 brush heads to ensure your mouth stays fresh. This option is ideal for style-conscious users or families who want to differentiate their brushes while maintaining professional oral hygiene. You can mount the hanger next to your mirror, pop the navy handle on, and enjoy a clutter-free bathroom experience every morning. And finally, number 5 is a classic choice designed to stop you from scrubbing your gums raw. The Oral-B Pro 1000 Cross Action features a pressure sensor that automatically stops pulsations if you press too hard against your teeth. Its dentist-inspired round brush head surrounds each tooth to remove up to 100% more plaque than manual brushing. This 2-count pack is perfect for couples who want a reliable, dentist-recommended brand with a built-in quadrant timer. If you tend to brush aggressively while half awake in the morning, this smart handle will instantly protect your gum line from damage. To find the best deals on all of these electric toothbrushes, make sure to check out the links in the description below. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews. Let us know in the comments below which toothbrush you are choosing or what product you want us to review next. Keep smiling, and we will see you in the next video.